Hey, welcome back. It's Jacob Billett, CEO of Billett Enterprises, and today we're going to be taking an honest review at Tubebuddy and what it can do for your channel in 2019. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to go ahead and show you just kind of a quick demo of Tubebuddy and how it can apply to your channel and why it is an absolute vital tool that I've discovered with my new YouTube channel that's helped me grow pretty tremendously and helped me target certain niches and get good SEO on certain keywords. So the first thing you're going to do, there's actually going to be a link here on the video that's going to be down in the comment box. Go ahead and click that link and it's going to go ahead and launch you or send you to Tubebuddy's site. So when you go to Tubebuddy sites, it's going to look something similar to this, and it's going to be an extension download onto your browser. If you're using Firefox, if you're using Chrome, whichever, it'll download on. So go ahead and download that. I'm not really sure what everybody's financial position is, but I have the Pro subscription. The Pro subscription is about $4.50 a month. Now, if you're a channel under 1,000 subscribers, you get that $4.50 a month deal. If you're over 1,000 subscribers, it is going to be $9 a month. Now, if you're trying to grow a YouTube channel and you're putting in hours and hours and hours of work trying to grow this, you have to kind of take a look at what your time is really worth. If you are saying, I'm fully committed to growing my YouTube channel and I'm wanting to be an influencer and I'm wanting to do this full time, but you're not willing to spend $4.50 a month to have a system that's going to grow your channel, you may want to reconsider what your commitment really is to do this. This product, and again, I'm not hired by these guys, this product, for the amount of money that you're paying them per month, is well worth what you're going to be getting. So just kind of keep that in mind. I highly suggest that you upgrade to Pro and you start using those tools immediately. So when you download it, it's going to send you to a page after you sign up, and this is your profile page with Tubebuddy. So this is what the interface looks like. I'm a big fan of integrating all of my social media services into programs. So as you can see, everything is pretty much linked over here on this side. Sorry, I getting some Reddit updates here. So looking over here, you can see how everything's upgraded or all of my programs are integrated into TubeBuddy. And then you have some of these right here, like Launchpad is going to be really good. I'll actually open that up for a newer YouTube channel. It will go through an actual checklist. Now, on every video upload that you put in, TubeBuddy gives you a checklist. It's literally idiot proof to maximize your videos so they'll get the most views as possible and they'll rank the best as possible. So you can see that my recently processed videos or my recent uploads onto YouTube, I have satisfied all of the checklist tasks. Make it happen every time. You spend the time recording it, you spend the time doing it. Don't go off half-cocked and get everything set up to work well on YouTube. I mean, just finish it off strong. They also do have a checklist template. I'm actually building my own template off of this checklist, but this is, again, a really good thing. If there's different tips or tricks or groups or something that you share your information, or if you promote your posts in, you can actually add it here with this checklist template, which is really good. I'm a big checklist guy, so this has been a great tool for me to use. So now getting kind of into the meat of this, and again, when you have these higher ranking subscriptions like their Legend subscription, you can have these, for example, this keyword rank tracking system on, but a lot of the tools that you're going to get, like checking out your competitors, people in the same field, your brand alerts, all of this is going to be available in the Pro subscription, which is what I have. But what we're going to do is we're actually going to go into YouTube after installing this product, and we're going to see It's really going to blow you away, especially if you're a newer person or if you're a data guy. I'm a big data guy. I like to see numbers. I like to see statistics. It really kind of helps me hone in. So anyways, now that you've downloaded this, and you've got this going, we're going to go over to YouTube. Now, the first thing that you're going to notice is that your YouTube interface is going to look quite a bit different. You're going to have your Channelytics, which is going to show you what your current subscribers are. It's also going to show you how the subscribers have been hitting your channel and subscribing to your channel, so you can kind of see what kind of pattern, what kind of growth pattern that you're having. And it's also going to show your channel tags. So this is a cool little interface right when you get this program to see here on your profile. Now, this is really where the meat and potato is on this program. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up one of my videos that ranked really well. I do a lot of traveling for my business, and so I actually started reviewing different places that I stay and different places that I eat while I'm on my business trips, going out and helping new businesses grow and investing in businesses and having people kind of show me their ideas. I'm a kind of an in-person kind of guy, so I actually travel to different areas here in the United States and sometimes globally, kind of depending on my schedule at the time, and see what people's ideas are, see it in action, see if that's something that I want to be involved with. So this right here is a Courtyard Marriott review that I did. I'll go ahead and put this on pause. So when you pull up your video having this new extension downloaded, you're going to see how your video is ranking. You'll see your total views, your comments, your likes, and then with it being shared, having it shared on social media, how well it's doing there. And then you're going to see some of your channel info here, and then best practices. Here's kind of the checklist. I haven't added any info cards. I'm actually going to go through and add my info cards later on my channel, so I'm able to link them to my website or to my blogs, or if I have an affiliate program or whichever, I can kind of monetize in different way with my info cards. But here's a big one. So here's the tags that I have for this video on this channel. Now, this is the big thing here. So clicking on, taking a look at how my tags ranked, you can see that there are many tags that this video has that it is number one. So number one meaning that if somebody types in hotels in Oxnard, California, which is a pretty popular place, especially for weddings, vacations, etc. If somebody types in hotels in Oxnard, California, my video will be the number one video that pops up. And that as soon as they type that in, my video is number one. If people look at Courtyard Marriott Oxnard Ventura, they type that in, boom, my video is number one. Courtyard Marriott Oxnard Ventura, because I kind of saw people were searching both ways with those keywords, boom, I'm number one. Best hotel in Oxnard, California, because again, a lot of people like to review places before they go. YouTube and Yelp are two of the biggest sources that people use to get research on hotels or places that they're going. Boom, mine's number one that pops up. Again, Courtyard by Marriott, Oxnard, California. Boom, number one, mine pops up. And I was able to target my keywords based on the information and the programs that Tubebuddy had that I downloaded and started using. So this video is pretty much, now they're not huge keywords, but some of these keywords are getting 25 to 30,000 visitors a month. Now, if I'm the number one video when it comes to, keywords getting that many hits per month, this video, and this video is still a relatively new video, this video should start picking up traction and really start bringing in a lot of viewers into my channel, and then hopefully my content is good enough to retain them and keep them in my channel. And this really is thanks to Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy was able to give me the resources and the keyword research and topics to really kind of dial my keywords in. So in this niche, in this travel review and Courtyard Marriott niche, I'm able to do very, very well with a very small channel. So again, that is some of the ways or best practice to use Tubebuddy. And they also do have, when you are uploading a new video, matter of fact, I'll go ahead and do this for you all to see. Since it's not a new video, and I probably should do a new video upload tutorial as well. This is just kind of an overview. But with Tubebuddy, we can actually take a look at relevant tags related to the tags that I've already put in. So these are tags that are being searched after. There is search history for these keywords, and you can also go through the Keyword Explorer and you can take a look. Hotels, let's say hotels in Southern California. We'll just kind of do this real quick here. And you can explore that, and it'll actually score that keyword based on the search volume, the competition, as well as if it's completely optimized, how well it'll do, and then how many videos are in that search result, and then average performance of people that are using that keyword. So the Keyword Explorer is a very, very strong tool. It actually deserves a video all by itself, and I'll probably end up doing that. But again, when you're uploading a new video or if you're editing, and a lot of people don't do this, a lot of people get software like this, but they won't go through their existing videos and optimize them. If you get something like this, go through every video that you have and optimize it. The video's already out there, and if you have an evergreen topic, a topic that people will search for forever, and you optimize it, that can be a truly residual source of ad revenue coming in, and you never have to do another thing to it because you've already optimized it. So again, with my review, I am kind of biased toward Tubebuddy because I did see how it worked before I did this video, and I'm like, man, this is a great tool. But for $4.50 per month, it really is a no-brainer. There really is. I mean, if you've got to sacrifice eating a Big Mac for a month, I don't know what a Big Mac. I know like a number one is like $7 or whatever because I do like to eat a lot. If you can sacrifice eating, you know, a number one, a small number one, I guess, from McDonald's every month to have your channel perform very well and dominate keywords that are in the niche that you are trying to grow in. Again, if you can't do that, maybe this isn't for you, because if you're willing to spend 30 hours doing videos, but you won't sacrifice $4.50, I don't really know what to tell you. That's kind of on you. And then again, to close this out, best practices, even on this video right here, there are things that I could do a little bit better. Because it's showing that 8 out of 13, the best practice I've done. So I can still do a little bit more optimization on this. Since this video dominates the keyword so awful much, I want it to do the best that it possibly can do. So I'll kind of go through and play the SEO game that is set up. So again, my recommendation YouTube or of Tubebuddy for YouTube is a definite buy. It is a hard go. And hopefully this video helps you guys out if you guys are on the fence or have never heard about it, so you can kind of see it in action, see how it works. If you do like the material, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will actually be adding on more in-depth videos with some of the tools. Again, this was kind of just a general overall review. And again, in my opinion, this needs to be gotten and put into play for your YouTube channel. It's just absolutely amazing what this has been able to do to my channel so far. So again, appreciate you stopping by, and we will see you on the next one. Take care.